In this video, I will explain the three different types of minor scale. While there is only one type of major scale, there are three variations of the minor scale. The first scale we're going to discuss is the natural minor scale, which follow this pattern of whole steps and half steps. Whole, half, whole, half, whole, and whole. You may notice that this is different from the pattern of whole and half steps that we use for the major scale. Let's now build an A natural minor scale. Our starting note will be A. From A, we need to create a whole step to B. From B to C, there will be a half step. From C to D, there is a whole step and another whole step to E. Now we need to create a half step between E and F, and then a whole step to G and a whole step to A. So the natural minor scale sounds like this. Notice that the A natural minor scale has no accidentals and corresponds to the Y keys on the keyboard. Next, let's build a C natural minor scale. Our starting point will be the C. A whole step above C will be D. And now to create a half step between D and E, we are going to have to use an accidental, in this case an E flat. The following whole step will take us to F. E flat to F is a whole step. The next whole step will be G. And now to create a half step between G and A, we will need to flatten the A into an A flat. There's a whole step between A flat and B flat. And finally, a whole step between B flat and C. So the natural C minor scale will sound like this. Notice that the C natural minor scale has three flats. Next, we will discuss the harmonic minor scale. To convert any natural minor scale into a harmonic minor, we need to raise the seventh note, right here the B, into a half step from the tonic. Let's change the seventh degree of the C minor scale simply by raising the seventh into a natural. So then we can have the leading tone resolving into the C. The harmonic minor then will sound like this. Finally, we will discuss the melodic minor scale, the third type of melodic or of minor scales. To convert a natural minor scale like this one into a melodic minor, we are going to raise both the sixth and the seventh notes by a half step. For example, in this C melodic minor, we are going to have the sixth and the seventh, A and B, natural. This is how the melodic minor will sound in its ascending motion. So it starts like a minor scale, but it ends in the same way that the major scale ends. Now, usually melodic minor scales use this pattern when ascending, and when descending, composers go back to the typical melodic minor scale. So in the descending motion, you'll have the three flats of the natural minor scale. And that is the three different types of minor scales.